Now in the chapter of permutations and combinations, after discussion a lot about the permutations, I would like to tell you what is a combinations. In fact, the arrangement is a separate name of the permutations, whereas the selection is the correct explanation of the combinations. Now the question is, we represent the combination by C if there are n objects and we want to select R out of it, then formula is NCR. NCR means out of n objects we want to select R, and if it is NPR, it means that we want to arrange R objects out of n. So to explain you about combinations, always remember where the selection is applicable, meaning by the combination is required. The formula of the NCR is factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. This is the first result, that is NCR is equals to factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. We also say that answer of NC n minus r. NC n minus r is the same result, factorial n upon, in place of r in the denominator of the first result, we will supply n minus r. So this will replaced by n minus r, and in place of this r, if we write n minus r, then n minus r will reduce to factorial r. So what is the first result? The selection of r objects out of a group of n objects. Formula NCR is given by factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. Another result which is quite related to this, NC n minus r is also equal to same factorial n upon factorial r into factorial n minus r. So from these two results, result number 1 and result number 2, what we can conclude? This implies NCR is equals to NC n minus r. Another property of the combination is that if NCX is equals to NCY, it means that, what implies this, that either x is equals to y, or we have to say that x plus y is equals to n. If NCX is equals to NCY, then what has to be? Either x is equals to y, or the sum of these two values x plus y should be equal to n. It is very much clear from this conclusion that r plus n minus r is equals to n. Another property is that value of NCR plus NCR minus 1, after solving this comes equal to n plus 1 CR. So NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 CR is one of the property which we will use in solving the problems for our combination. Now another result which is definitely required for solving the problems is NCR is also equals to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So when we will see that actually selection is required out of some objects, then it means that we are supposed to apply the results of combination.